Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the most important things you need to do before you start your Lumion animation, and that is to apply your rendering settings. And this is necessary because if you do not apply your rendering settings and you go ahead and produce your animation, then later on you want to import the rendering setting, maybe my own rendering setting or your own rendering setting. When you import that rendering setting, it is going to override whatever you have done before. That means you have to start afresh again. So to avoid wasting your time, before you ever start anything about animation, make sure you have applied your rendering setting. And for instance, the first thing I would do is to go to this rendering setting and click edit, then copy effects. I'll click on copy effects. Okay, so I now go to movie mode. This is movie mode, and now that I'm in movie mode, I can now create a record. All right, now this one is without rendering setting now, and maybe I want to snap this view. This view has been snapped, and I go to another view. Okay, let's say I want to snap this view. Now I have two views now, and let me play what I've done. Okay, now I'm going to pause it and check this mark. Then before I start animating the cars, the human beings, any other things, I am going to paste my render setting first. If you do not paste your render setting, once you go ahead and create other animation stuff, when you are going to paste your render setting later, it's going to override it. So I'm going to paste it now. I've pasted my render setting. Okay, so very important.